130 kilos.
That bends time and reality as we know it. The great power of God.
140.